These typography title templates will work with Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. I have also included fonts required for these templates. Let's install all fonts first. Now open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Right-click here. Click on Manage Additional Folders. A new window will pop up. Click on Add. Give path of template folder. Here all templates are installed. Let's place all templates on the timeline. To edit the first template, go to Edit section. Let's change the first text. Change font from here. You can enable or disable faux italic style from here. Here you can change text color. You can also change text position and scale from here. Text 2 and 3 will be edited in the same way. These titles have in and out both animations. You can also increase or decrease its duration. You can edit title 2 in the same way. In title 3, change box size from here. Else will be edited in the same way. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Subscribe for more free templates. Thanks for watching.